Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing my updated sunless tanning routine. This has been so highly requested, so that is what I'm doing for you guys. So for today I'm starting off with, I didn't want to like film myself in the shower because I felt like that was weird. I'm just showing you like I use a scrunchie, like a loofah when I'm in the shower, to extra exfoliate, and then you make sure that you shave. Because you just don't want the tan like holding on to your individual little hair particles. So make sure you shave, and that is also going to be an extra source of exfoliation for your skin. You can go in with any body wash. I'm just showing you that I'm using the Winter Candy Apple from Bath and Body Works. This doesn't have any exfoliating beads in it. I just love it. But then I also do go in with the Mary Kay Satin Body scrub to extra exfoliate. And then before you tan, make sure you take some kind of lotion. This is the Soap and Glory Smoothie body butter cream in the it's in the smell. I was gonna say in the shade. It's like an almond and vanilla. It smells delicious. And then also I'm gonna be using my Morphe M439 brush to apply some of the tan. You'll see that in a second. And I'm using the Saint Tropez. It's in the shade dark, and it's the bronzing mousse. So I take that brush and I'm going to apply it to my neck area. Normally, I will use this on my face as well when I do tan my face, but I'm not tanning my face today, just because my skin's a little dry and I don't want it like catching on to any of the really dry particles, like patches on my face, not particles. That was weird. So yeah, I'm just going to use the brush to apply the tan to my neck. It's just easier for me. It's smaller. It gets around my jawline better than the mitt does. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. This mitt is also just the Saint Tropez mitt that like they sell at Ulta. I also did get the self tanning at Ulta. So what I was showing you there is you want to make sure that you use the body butter to put on your hands, on your wrists, on your ankles, on your knees, on your elbows, any place where there's like rougher skin, so that it doesn't like, again, grab onto the drier parts of your body. So I just do about 3 to 4 pumps on that mitt, and then I just go in and I just massage it all over my skin. It might look a little bit patchy, like just going to go ahead and put that out there. It might look a little bit patchy when you're applying it to your skin, but I promise you, trust me when I say this, I promise it's not going to look that way when you wash it off. That's like the main question that I get. Like, I want a sunless tanning mousse that's not going to be patchy. This one might look a little streaky when you're applying it. Like, you might even be able to tell like when I'm applying it right now. But once you wash it all off, I promise it's going to look fine. And the reason that I love this tan so much, because my 3 top tans probably are the Saint Tropez, the Loving Tan, and then the Bondi Sands. It just depends on which one I want to use. None of them are like an orange, like gross looking tan color. They're like more olivey brown, so it looks more of a natural tan. And that's what we all want to go for when we're not, getting the natural sunlight outside and like our natural tan color. I'm more of a red tan anyway when I actually tan, so this makes me a different shade of brown, and I love that. I'm just showing you right here that I'm applying the Smoothie Body Butter to my knees as well. And make sure you wait, I didn't mention this before, but make sure you wait about an hour or so before you start applying the tan once you get out of the shower, because you want to make sure that your pores in your skin are closed completely, or it's going to grab onto all your little pores and you're going to have like little brown speckles all over your legs, and that's just from the tan sinking into your pores. It's not a cute look, I promise. So then I'm just going to take like a teeny little squirt, like not big at all, and apply it to my hands, like as you can see there. And then you just put on a big t-shirt, wait 6 hours. I normally sleep in mine, as I'm showing you right there. So yeah, this is the next day. I've rinsed it off. This is fully developed. As you can tell, it's super natural. And also a little tip for you guys is once you wash off the tan, make sure that you're moisturizing more than normal. So like every single chance I get, I'm moisturizing. It'll just make your tan last so much longer than if you let your skin be really dry and it gets flaky. I mean, like even when you don't have a tan on and you're dry, your skin gets flaky and it flakes off. So yeah, moisturize a ton and you will get more out of your tan and it'll last longer than if you were to not moisturize. And who likes dry skin? Nobody likes dry skin. So yeah, this is after I have moisturized. As you can tell from my face to my body, it's super, super natural, but in the winter, I like a more natural tan anyways. And then this is in the natural sunlight. So I have completely cut off my lights, and this is just natural daylight. So yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!